Let us look at the third problem. A die is thrown. Find the probability of following events. First, a prime number will appear. Second, a number greater than or equal to 3 will appear. Third, a number less than or equal to 1 will appear. Fourth, a number more than 6 will appear. Fifth, a number less than 6 will appear. Okay. So what is given is a random experiment, that is a die is thrown. You have to find the probability of the following 5 events. So let us start solving the problem. Solution. So this is the random experiment. A die is thrown. Okay. So the sample space will be what? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Since a die is thrown, a die can get 1 on the upper face, 2 or 3 on the upper face, or 4 on the upper face, or 5 on the upper face, or 6 on the upper face. Okay. So this is the sample space. Now let us look at the first sub question here. That is a prime number will appear, right? So what we have to do is we have to let E1 be equal to a prime number will appear. Okay. The event let a prime number will appear. Okay. So event E1 will consist of 2, because 2 is a prime number in the sample space, then 3, right, and then 5. So E1 will have 3 elements here, so that means number of elements in E1, n of E1 is equal to 3, right? And also here n of S is how much? So number of elements in S is 6. Okay, now we can find the probability of the event E1. So now probability of event E1 is simply n of E divided by n of S, that is equal to 3, right? N of E is E1, sorry. So n of E1 is 3 divided by ns is 6, that means half, right? Now let us consider the second event. Second event is what? A number greater than or equal to 3 will appear, right? So E2 is the event that number greater than or equal to 3 will appear. Greater than or equal to 3 will appear. That means E2 will be 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So this is a number equal to or greater than 3. So that means n of E2 is equal to 4. Okay. So therefore probability of the event E2 that we have to find, right? So this is equal to n of E2 divided by n of S. So this will be equal to 4 by 6, and that is nothing but 2 by 3. Okay. So now let us go to the third event. So that is E3. E3 is what? A number less than or equal to 1 will appear. Okay. So a number less than or equal to 1 will appear. So E3 will be equal to set. So number less than 1 means 0, but you can see that there is no number less than 1 here. 0 is not there. Okay, so that means only one element will be there equal to 1, so that is 1. Okay, so E3 will be equal to the singleton set 1, so therefore the probability of E3 is equal to n of E3, right? So what is n of E3? So n of E3 is 1 because it contains only one element, divided by n of s, that is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, now fourth event, let us see. Fourth is a number more than 6 will appear. So E4 is a number more than 4 will appear. So that is E4 is equal to 5 and 6, right? That means number of elements in E4 are 2. So therefore probability of the event E4 is equal to n of E4 divided by n of s, right? So that is equal to 2 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 3, right? Okay, oh, a number more than 6 will appear, it is. Okay, so this is not correct. A number more than 6 will appear means the event E so event E4 will be empty set, right? Because there is no number more than 6. So number of element in E4 is 0. So that means 0 by 6, which is 0. Okay. Now fifth event, let us see. A number less than 6 will appear. So E5, a number less than 6 will appear. Okay, so E5 is what? E5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So therefore number of elements in E5 is equal to 5. So now we can find the probability of E5. So therefore probability of E5 is equal to n of E5 divided by n of s, right? So that is equal to 5 by 6. Okay, so here we have solved the problem 3. Now let us go to the next problem here. Fourth one. A card is selected from a pack of 52 cards. A. How many points are there in the sample space? B. Calculate the probability that the card is an ace of spades. C. Calculate the probability that the card is first an ace and second black card. Okay, so what is given is a card, a pack of card is given and there are 52 cards in the pack. Then first question says how many points are there in the sample space. Okay, so let us start solving this. Solution. So let us write the random experiment. A card is selected from a pack of 52 cards. Okay, so what is the probability of selecting a card from pack of 52 cards? That we have to know. Okay, so see, the probability of selecting a card from a pack of 52 cards is what? Is 1 by 52, right? And all the probabilities, that means the chance of occurrence of each outcome is same, that is 1 by 52. Okay, so any card you select, the probability is 1 by 52, right? Okay, so now let us look at the problem A here. How many points are there in the sample space? So how many points will be there? Since there are 52 cards, right? So the sample space will consist of 52 elements, right? So either you can get first a 2 of diamond, right? Then you can get 3 of diamond, 4 of diamond, like that. Okay, and so the one color or one shape consists of 13 elements, right? So 13 into 4 is 52. So that means the sample space will consist of 52 elements. So there are 52 points in the sample space, right? Okay, that is the first answer. And B, calculate the probability that the card is an ace of spades. Okay, so first of all, let us consider the event. Let E be the event that the card is an ace of spade. The card is an ace of spade. Okay, so number of elements in E will be what? So there is only one card which is ace of spade, right? Only one element will be there, and therefore the probability of E is nothing but number of elements in E divided by number of elements in S. So that is nothing but 1 by 52, right? So because number of elements in E is 1 and number of elements in S is 52, right? That is the probability. Now let us look at the problem C. Calculate the probability that the card is first an ace, okay, second black card. So first let us take an event. So let F be the event that the card is an ace. The card is an ace. Okay, so that means number of elements in F will be what? So either you can get diamond ace, then heart ace, then you can get flower ace or spade ace, right? That means 4 will be there. So the probability of F, right? Therefore the probability of F is equal to number of elements in F divided by number of elements in the sample space S. There is nothing but 4 by 52. So 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 1 by 13. Okay, now second let us take, so the card is a black card. So let G be the event the card is a black card. So n of G, if you look at, so there will be how many black, you can get how many black cards? That is 13, right? So therefore probability of G is equal to n of G divided by n of s. So this is equal to 13 by 52, which is nothing but 1 by 4, right? Okay, so this is the answer. So that's it in the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in the next video.